I've always been very ambitious. I've always been very curious.
Larry Ellison is one of the most significant individuals in the enterprise software industry. He is a co-founder of Oracle Corporation and has had a lasting impact on the company's success. Ellison has pushed Oracle to become a global leader in cloud computing solutions and database management systems through his visionary leadership as well as strategic expertise. Let's take a look at his inspiring journey of victory.
I'm addicted to winning. The more you win, the more you want to win.
Childhood and schooling. Ellison was adopted in the south side of Chicago by his mother's aunt and uncle after he was adopted by his single young mother in 1944. Ellison was born in New York City. Ellison left the University of Illinois and the University of Chicago without graduating, and he went on to write computer code for businesses such as Ampex and Amdahl, where he worked on the first mainframe system that was compatible with IBM for over 10 years. Prominent achievements. After reading about relational databases in an IBM research article that suggested a new way of arranging massive amounts of data to make the information easily accessible, Ellison had the vision that he would ultimately launch Oracle. Ellison identified the huge business opportunity of relational databases to revolutionize company operations even before IBM had moved the technology out of development. Origin of Oracle. Using $2,000 of their own funds, Ellison, Bob Miner, and Ed Oates, two former colleagues at Ampex, founded software development laboratories in 1977. This company would ultimately go on to become Oracle. Ellison and his colleagues developed the first structured query language, SQL, for handling massive relational databases commercially during a period of the following 2 years. Their early success was primarily caused by their 1978 acquisition of a $50,000 contract to construct a relational database management system, project code-named Oracle, from the U.S. Central Intelligence Agency, CIA. The Oracle 7 IPO. Following Oracle's 1986 IPO, Ellison led the business through major changes. With the introduction of the widely used database program Oracle 7, which captured the market. Oracle 7 was essential to governments, banks, businesses, airlines, automakers, and retailers. Oracle's stock values more than tripled from 1999 to the end of 2007, then continued to rise during the Great Financial Crisis and the COVID-19 epidemic. Valuable acquisitions. The strategic software acquisitions that Oracle made under Ellison's direction, including those of Sun Microsystems, Hyperion Solutions, Retech, Siebel Systems, and PeopleSoft, helped the company expand into new markets and contributed to its growth. Infrastructure for Oracle Cloud. In the early stages of the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, Ellison positioned Oracle's network architecture by 2020 to manage the rapid expansion of cloud-based enterprise software firms. The industry leader in enterprise video communications, Zoom Video Communications Inc. (ZM), selected Oracle Cloud Infrastructure in April 2020 to meet the rising demand for its services. The Internet's debut. Ellison had been among the first to predict the transformational effects of the Internet on the corporate landscape. Beginning in 1997, Ellison directed Oracle's attention only towards critical online business software platforms. It was a tactic that could have alienated clients who weren't ready for the change. However, it put the business in a position to benefit from the dot-com boom. Oracle was one of the most well-known companies in Silicon Valley by 2000. And for a little while, Larry Ellison overtook Bill Gates as the richest person in the world. Under his direction, Oracle has expanded into a massive company with approximately 135,000 employees and projected $40 billion in revenue in 2021. Apart from directing the exponential expansion of his enterprise since its establishment, Ellison has shaped the way the global business community employs big data by creating and introducing solutions that are utilized by 430,000 clients across 175 nations and by all 100 of the world's top publicly traded corporations. Ellison demonstrated that dreamers may emerge from the most odd circumstances. His important contributions to databases and cloud computing laid the groundwork for countless innovative companies.
Number two is getting old, and we're number two. Not for long. We're number two in CRM behind Siebel, but we're growing faster than SAP, and we're growing faster than Siebel, and we're determined to become number one in applications, as like we're number one in database.
He shaped the modern technological environment in which we live and work. Due to his dedication and strong mind, Larry has become one of the most successful and richest people in the world. Now, we are headed to the end of this video. Subscribe to Product Squire for more insights into how a simple start and a motivated mind can build empires.
We have 150,000 people inside the company now.
And you've got 440,000 customers, 145 countries. Where do you go from here?
Well, we want to make sure we beat Amazon in cloud database.
It's funny to hear you say that. I mean, that's it.
Simple.
It's very simple.
It's very simple. It's just like playing basketball. If you're playing basketball, you want to beat the Warriors. You want to be, you want to win the championship. So, our job, we have the best database in the world.
Stay tuned for our next video, where we decode another business titan's success secrets.